Hello Vechain coin holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. Welcome back to another latest update video about Vechain coin, guys. First of all, I want congratulations to all Vechain coin holders because after a long time I found Vechain coin is in the huge pump. Wow, unbelievable, guys. Anyways, in this video we are doing a price prediction for Vechain coin, a technical analysis and trying to detect the next move of Vechain. So keep watch, and guys, if you're new here, so make sure to subscribe for more update videos. The currently latest price of Vechain in the market is about 0.116 USD dollar. That is the currently latest price of Vechain in the market. Other side, 5.88% positive changes occur in the Vechain. So 5% the price of Vechain increase in last 24 hours. So there's also good news for all Vechain holders. Let me show you more about Vechain. Trading volume, fully diluted market cap. These everything is going positive, so that's unbelievable and very congratulations to all Vechain holders. Fully diluted market cap. Guys, I think you know what, a huge pump is coming in the Vechain, but guys, unfortunately a lot of people decide to sell. But guys, you know what, don't decide to sell, guys. That is just the beginning of a pump. You can see here from price, yeah, that is just the beginning. The huge pump is coming soon, guys. If they pump like that, like going straight to the moon, guys, so it's time to make a huge profit. Just hold for a long time. Anyways, remember, I'm not financial advisor. Please do your own research about any crypto, any coin, guys. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe channel for more update and news videos about cryptocurrency market. Thank you so much.